Integrated quality management is the driving principle behind critical logic. Our IQM Studio tool is an innovative technology that allows us and our customers to put integrated quality into practice. At its heart, IQM Studio is an analytical tool that lets you visually represent rules from requirements that allows stakeholders such as business analysts or software quality analysts to validate rule statements in real time. This visualization process helps all stakeholders reach a common understanding of the intended behavior of the business system, ensuring that the right requirements or user stories are what gets sent to the development team. IQM Studio doesn't stop there, though. Once the requirements have been visualized in what we call a model, a proprietary test generation algorithm will use the model to create an optimized test set automatically and with no additional work needed. Using standards normally reserved for only the most mission and life-critical systems, these model-generated tests ensure that every functional combination of inputs and outputs is covered. This means you don't have to guess what you're testing. You know exactly what's covered by your tests. You can be certain that the tests generated will not only ensure the product delivered is free from defects, they will also ensure that the right product is delivered to the customer. IQM Studio goes one step further still. Once the product has been deployed, it is critical to ensure that inevitable future changes don't break existing functionality and cause disruptions to the end users. This is most efficiently done with an automated regression test library, but it can be expensive and complicated to build and maintain this library. Using easily understood keywords, IQM Studio lets the same stakeholders that created the model generate automation scripts without ever having to write a single line of code. These keywords are reusable, meaning they only have to be defined once, and they can be used across as many tests as needed. When something in the product changes, the keyword is updated once, and every test that uses that keyword is automatically updated to match the current state of the product in real time. In conclusion, IQM Studio ensures that you have the right requirements. The requirements make up the model, and the tests are generated from the model. Ensure that your customers and end users get the product they desire and love with integrated quality management in IQM Studio from Critical Logic.